Ang yung fair naman. Fair. Sayal by publicity.
Wala akong pumunta dito para
Wala. NBI, wala. Wala naman. Wala naman talagang nangyari dito. Meron namang mga parents dito.
Might say just to know you, God's great big family, pravda, you know love is all we need.
There was a time that it was raining hard, and Senor Aguila shouted, "Let the rain stop." And indeed, the heavy rain stopped. Since then, we really became die-hard believers because of his supposed powers.
Yes po, sir.
Huminto talaga ang ulan, pagsabi niya.
Baka accidentally lang po din po, sir, yung...
Ay, okay, Mr. Chair. Sa ganyang mga sagot, ay